So this unit is it comes with a thing that goes up on the roof that allows you to get Wi-Fi. Like if you have a Wi-Fi signal 1.5 miles away, it says up to 1.5 miles. I actually never really tried it, but way far away, you can actually make that unit connect to that, and then you can get internet for a TV, your phone, your devices. Or you can choose to pay. I charge $125 a month. The data that I can get for it is very expensive. So it's $125 a month you can choose, and then you can have data whenever and wherever. And you would find that information in this booklet, which is in the bag with all the instruction manuals, and I keep that stored right up in there. So the remotes here, the bedroom, it's actually just a Fire Stick on there onto the TV. The DVD will run either this TV or the bedroom TV in there. And then you just simply have to change the sources. You know, it says HDMI right there. HDMI 1 is the DVD. So if you wanted to watch the DVD here, that's how you do that. But again, all your information for that wind guard is going to be in this book, in this bag. Really what you have to do is download the app, and it'll walk you through it. You scan this little code and that.